How to renew Spotify Premium. If you want to renew a Spotify Premium subscription, you want to open the Spotify app on your device, or you can open up any web browser and head over to spotify.com. Now tap on your profile icon. Here select Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Account. You will find the option of Subscription over here. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, if you've previously canceled your premium subscription, you will find the Join Premium option or Upgrade to Premium option. Go ahead and select that. Now, follow these steps. If you are a student, you'll need to renew your subscription and re-verify your eligibility and share ID, usually 4 weeks before your current period ends. You can also renew from your account page. Now, if your plan is managed through a partner like a mobile provider, you'll need to contact them for any renewal or payment related issues. Now, once you tap on the Join Premium option, you will have to re-enter your payment information. So go ahead and enter your payment information. Once that is done, follow the on-screen prompts and your premium subscription will be renewed. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.